Okay, now we introduce the spare part for the CTL69. Okay, this is the band tie for Lipo laser and the 3 glasses for Lipo laser pads, and the band tie for the double trim working handle. This is the fat caliper. This is the working handle for double chain and the Cryo handle. And this is the vacuum RF working handle. And this is the screwdriver for installation the machine. This is the shockwave working handle. And its tips for this handle. And this is the cavitation and the tripolar RF. This is the little laser pads, and there are 4 big pads and 2 small pads. And this is the foot pedal for shockwave and the power line. Okay, when you receive this machine, first step, we use this tool, use this installation tools to install the screw here. The first step, this is the first step here. And then the second step, we install here. Use this tool also to tie these 2 parts. Okay, this is the second step. Okay, the third step is install this part. For this part, we need to tie the screw, tie these 2 grooves first, and then install this part. Okay, and the next step is this part. The same installation, we need to use this tool and tie the screw here. And for this part, we can use the screw like this through this hole, and then to install like this, the same as the other one. Okay. Okay, the next step is install these 4 screws here. Okay, and then this part is finished. And then next, we install this part. Also use the tools to install these 2 screws here. Okay, the last step is install this screen, operation screen. Okay, first we have to install these 4 screws first. Okay, and the next step is these 2 screws here. And the last step is these 2 screws. When you install this part, the last step, final step, is insert this part. And we should match the tip inside this hole, and then press. You will hear a sound. When you want to remove this screen, first you have to press this silver button first, and then pull out. Okay, now we install the vacuum RF working handle. Before installation for this handle, we have to press these 2 white buttons first. Press. And make sure these 2 tips must be up. Okay, then we insert. Match the hole, and then press. You will hear a sound, then this working handle is well installed. And when you want to remove this working handle, press these 2 white buttons first, and then pull out. Okay, now we install well. Okay, this is the Cryo handle. The same operation of this working handle. First step is press the silver button first and make sure this 2 tip is up, and then match the hole. Press hear sound, okay? Okay, and now we install the Lipo laser pads. Before installation, we have to make sure this hole match to this hole. For example, okay, when you match the hole, just press and then tie. Tie it. Okay, then finish. And the others are the same. Okay, next step, we install the tripolar RF working handle. The same operation, we should match these 3 tips to this hole, and then you will hear some. When you want to remove this working handle, first press this silver button and then pull out. Okay. Okay, we install. And next is the cavitation. Same operation. Okay, match the hole and then insert. You will hear the sound. And then next, we install the shockwave therapy. And the same, we match the hole and then finish. And then next, we install the foot paddle. The same operation. Okay, finish. Okay, when the wastewater is beyond to the 2/3 liquid of this bottle, we have to clean the wastewater bottle. First, we have to work like this, and then the bottle is loose. Then we can clean the wastewater inside. And when you install again, okay, the wastewater bottle match the above position, and then this is the cup for inject the water. When before doing this machine, we have to inject full water inside. Now we introduce how to inject water. First, we have to insert this tube to this hole. Before installation, we have to press this silver button first. Make sure this tip is up, and then insert. Then you will hear a sound. When you want to remove this tube, press the button first and then pull out. Okay, we insert first, and another tube should insert to the water overflow hole. Then we can inject water here. And when the water is full inside, the water will come out from the overflow hole here. And when you want to release the water inside, we should insert this tube to the outlet hole, water outlet hole. Okay. And now the machine is full of water. Then we don't need to do this step.